Hello everybody. So today I will talk about rankings. So now I will show you how to answer how many possible rankings of top 5 students are in a class with 50 students. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that top 5, that means we will have about 5 slots in here. So the first one, we have 1 out of 50, so that means we have 50 choice for the first one. After we select 1 out of 50, the next one we have 49 students in here. The next one is about 48. The next one that's about 47. And the last one that's about 46. So we just multiply by 5 numbers together and we have the final answer. Because we rank from the first to fifth, so that's why we need to use on this way. And now we have the final answer in here, and the number we need to find, that should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.